Alright, David Harry here, and I'm just out to do some preliminary testing for the cameras on my new iPad Pro 2021 M1, and do some stuff with a microphone on it and things outdoors because it's dead sunny. And I just thought I would also take this opportunity to test this modification that I've done for the Hero9 Media Mod. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I'm going to be using the Hero9 as my B cam to do my cutaway stuff, or my establishing shots as it were, when I'm doing this stuff with the iPad Pro. So I just thought, yeah, I might as well test out this new thing that I've done for it. Actually, just give us a sec, I need to cross this road and I'll continue once I've crossed the road. Okay, so I'm now across the road safely, and on the point of crossing the road safely, let me just get into my quick little public information film about crossing roads when vlogging. Don't! Just stop vlogging if you come near a road. Doesn't matter if there's any traffic at all or loads of traffic, just stop vlogging. It's as simple as just drop your camera to your side, stop looking at it, stop talking to it, watch the traffic, listen to the traffic, watch and listen to the road, all the stuff that's around you, and then once you've crossed the road, you can continue vlogging. Alright, so now Downer Dave has done his thing. I'm just going to continue testing this microphone. So basically what it is, my YouTube Bezzy, Mr. Ian Craig, gave me a media mod for the Hero9, and he gave me this, and he was fully aware of what I was going to do with it, which was butcher it up like mad and put a new microphone inside of it, which is exactly what I've done. Now, people may remember I did something very similar last year with the Hero8 Media Mod. Well, this time round, I've kind of really excavated the inside of the mic compartment on the Media Mod for the 9, and I've actually put a better capsule in there. So what I'm going to do now is just cut away to some shots. So basically what I've done here, I've absolutely butchered the inside, as you can see, ripped it all out, and then I've placed the mic capsule in there. Now this mic capsule is a 14.5 15mm capsule, and the capsule that I've used is one of the Primo Omni capsules as well. In fact, I'll flash it up on the screen which one it is. And so basically what I've done then is covered it back over with the original cover off the side of the Media Mod, and then just put its foam filter back over it. And to be honest, this time around I didn't completely and utterly butcher the way that it looks, so it actually doesn't look too bad once it's all put back together again. Now what I'm going to do in the future, I will do some tests with this particular setup with a couple of different capsules inside of the Media Mod, but I'm going to do that as well. What I'm going to do is do a bit of a, like, not so much a how-to, but I'll show you how I did it. It's not something that I would recommend to people. It's quite a tough thing because you've basically got to grind out a little bit of metal out of the body and stuff, and you got to, like, you know, go crazy with snips and like drills and stuff like that. But I think the end result's awesome. Now the thing is, there is a slight breeze going on here, and I have actually fashioned a dead cat for this as well, although I've not put it on it today because I didn't think there'd be like so much of a breeze as to warrant needing the dead cat. However, this will give me a good idea as to whether or not, you know, this slight breeze is going to be stopped by the foam filter that's actually on the Media Mod anyways. Okay, so that'll just about do it then, because this was always going to be a really quick test, just my first one basically, just to see if this is going to be any good for doing me vloggy stuff with, because right now, hopefully we can probably see there, I've actually started setting up my iPad vlogging setup. In fact, this is quite interesting because what it is, I've got it all wired up there so I can use me let's see, me Rode wireless lav and my lavalier Go with this as well. Okay, so yeah, like I say, just a quick thing just to see how this all sounds. So if you're into this stuff, defo keep an eye on the channel, because what I'm going to do is do a few different things with this setup. We've got a few different mic capsules to test with it. Going to do one cardioid and 2 omni variations of this, and hopefully I'll be able to test it as well with something that is actually an okay dead cat, which, to be honest, I kind of stole the idea from Robert John Kerr when he butchered up a dead cat off a Rode Video Micro to cover over his original Media Mod for, I think it was describes as Hero 8 Black. So basically, Robert, I've stole your idea and done it on this one as well. Anyways, like I say, I'm gonna have to dive off, go and sort out this thing here. Yeah, keep an eye on the channel, blah blah, all the rest of it. I'm David Harry. Thank you very much for watching this video. Take care and goodbye now.